Simply put, pranayama is a breath discipline. One path of yoga laid out in the Yoga Sutras is called the 8 limbs of yoga, or Ashtanga yoga. Most people have heard or tried asana, which is the body practice, and the 3rd limb of yoga. Pranayama is the 4th limb. Once we have trained the body to be steady and comfortable in various positions, we can more easily sit down and focus on expanding our awareness of and extending the breath. A conscious awareness of the breath can change your mood, calm you down, give you energy, and prevent and heal disease. Pranayama is an expansive science that I am no master of, but for many years I have incorporated different pranayamas into my daily practice and will offer you my own experiences and what my teachers have shared with me. Subscribe to the YoK YouTube channel for video blogs about pranayama and the 8-limbed yogic path. And please check out our website, www.yogaofkindness.com, to find out more about us and to become a member. Thanks for supporting our mission of yoga and kindness.